Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the usage of fixed width, hug, and fill containers in Figma. Why do you need to know this? Because this is an important foundation if you want to create responsive UI designs. Okay, this time I'm going to create a responsive button using hug. But what is hug? Hug is a layout constraint in Figma that allows a container to hug its content tightly. In other words, the container will adjust its size based on the size of its content. This is useful when you want to create a responsive design where the size of the container should adjust to its content. By using hug, you can ensure that your design will look good on different screen sizes and devices, without the need to manually adjust the size of each element. Great! Now let's try it out. First, please create some text here, then press the Shift+A button on your keyboard and name this component Button. Next, adjust the text size, padding, radius, and give it the color you want. Okay, done. Congratulations! You have successfully created a responsive button. You can see that it adjusts both horizontally and vertically to the width of the text and its container. Now, if you resize the container, you will see that the button adjusts its size as well, while maintaining the same ratio and position. This is the power of using hug in Figma. Next, we will learn about fill container and fixed width. What is fill container? In Figma, a fill container is a tool that automatically resizes a container or frame to fit the size of the content within it. It is useful when designing responsive layouts or working with dynamic content that may change size. This feature helps you save time by automatically. Now I will make an example of how the fill container works. Duplicate the button that was made earlier and press Ctrl-Shift-A on your keyboard. Here we will also directly model fixed width. What is fixed width in Figma? Fixed width is a property that sets a specific, unchanging width value for an object or container, regardless of the size of the device or screen it's viewed on. It's useful for ensuring consistent layouts, but may not be as scalable or responsive as other layout techniques. Okay, you can try it yourself, fixed width or fill container. Just it. Very easy. Thanks for watching. See you next video.